What's up madam people. Dito ko ngayon sa aking periodic maintenance aking sakyan dito sa Royal Tech. So ayan, ito yung promotion nila. So ayan, mga promotion nila. Meron silang basic customer happiness, benefits, major service and minor service, and also elite customer happiness. Ayan. So meron silang mga 4 cylinder, 6 cylinder, 8 cylinder, 10 to 12 cylinder. So iba-iba ang prices nila. So ayan, 4 cylinder, 6 cylinder, 8 cylinder. So ayan. So meron silang Dubai saka Abu Dhabi. So since naka-register ko sa Abu Dhabi, sa Abu Dhabi ako ngayon. Ayan. Check nyo lang, marami silang mga benefits. Share ko lang dito. This is my car. This is my car. Since I already get the package, so this is a receipt. There's minor service. This is a second minor service. There's no payment at all. There's zero. So all the details is there available, and also they are checking what is the issue of your car underneath the below of this car. They will check everything. So if there is any issue, they will tell you also any issue. So if you are interested to change or to buy spare parts, and they will fix now. If you are interested to do the fixing, so like that. So that's it, guys. And very good communications to get with their sales advisor. Okay, technical advisor for this Royal Tech. His name is Miss Yara. All right, so see you guys.